Oh, it's awesome. Love the conference, love everything. Weather's great. What can go wrong?
I really love the venue associated with this conference. Open air, beautiful weather. I really love the nice places to just sit down and have conversations with people. The actual speaking venues where the sessions are happening are just fantastic.
I'm so happy to be in Florida, hot weather, much better than New York. We have free ice cream, free coffee, free everything, and it's just amazing.
We've had a lot of great people come by, but the quality of the people that come by has been really great too. Lots of people asking really great questions, giving feedback.
One of our finals today. We got to meet Steve Wozniak.
It was amazing.
I know, it was amazing. It was amazing.
I mean, opening the conference with Wozniak is pretty bold and aggressive play, but you know, I could have sat and listened to him for hours.
I told my father, I'm going to own a 4K Data General Nova computer someday. And he looked at me and said, it costs as much as a house. And I said, I'll live in an apartment.
Civo had pulled a simply staggering lineup of speakers. There's actually the who's who of Kubernetes here presenting.
One of the things I love about conferences like this is just sort of the melting pot effect, right? I got so accustomed to dealing with two-dimensional people in Zoom meetings that it's really cool to have three-dimensional people again that we can interact with.
I love it. Really interesting to learn more about cloud native and all the different products at the booth here. Met some great people here so far. Already got plenty of business cards in my back pocket that I'm excited to follow up on and learn more about.
Some of the stuff is 2-3 years out into the future, so we're seeing a lot of the stuff that was going to be emerging over the next couple of years already here.
Yeah, so for everybody that didn't come, you missed out. You missed out. It's awesome. You should have been here. But stay tuned for the next one then and go there because this is awesome.